What's going on, everybody? No. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video for the one time. So today I got in a crazy package. Like, I went to my door and there was this huge box sitting there. And I'm thinking to myself, like, dude, it says live plants, handle this side up. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm pretty big into plants and my house is slowly turning into a jungle. This is my office snake plant, you know what I'm saying? I'm big into plants, so I thought maybe someone got my address and sent me some plants. But little did I know, it's actually a package from Nike on behalf of Hibbett Sports, representing the N7. This box is just immaculate. Is that the word? Am I saying it right? Immaculate? Just stunning, you know what I'm saying? So we got the N7 on the side. Together we grow, united we thrive. So N7 is basically Nike's fund for Native Americans, which is super dope, just to see that they support the community. Nike's been doing a good job of holding it down. Let's just say that. Ba-blam. Now, let's just open this, man. As soon as I open the box, like I said, I want this to be kind of like a vlog format. I don't want to just sit down and do a boring unboxing. Like, dude, I open this up and I'm like, bruh, what? This is so fire, down to the last detail. Like, just peep around the whole box. Like, whoa. Whoa. I'm on my plant stuff, man. I'll show y'all my garden in this video, why not? Or as I should say, my apartment garden. So when opening the box, man, this is just tough. I was wondering what's up with the live plant. I don't even want to touch anything. Presentation just looks so great. Oh man, I don't even know, what should I start with first? We got some tea, Buddha teas. Like, what? Cool. Then we got a candle. I rock with the candles. Y'all know I got the candle in the office. Right, yeah. So this won't be up next. I'm gonna have to put the camera on a tripod, man. Okay, like I was saying, we got the candle. It's in there pretty snug. I'm gonna just pull out the soap real quick. Yucca root. Yucca root. I believe that's how you say it. Take a wash on the wild side. Like, is this not a cool unboxing, man? Well, we got some tea, we got some soap. What else we got in here? We gotta get this candle out, man. Ah, there we go. Ooh, okay. Wild rose. You feel me, man? Y'all know I love unboxings like this. It's one thing to get a pair of shoes, but it's another to get some accessories and a cactus. Oh man, this is in here tight. So the cactus is in a basketball planter, pretty much. Looks like they cut out the top of a basketball. Let's see if we can get this out without ruining it. Ooh, protect the cactus. Oh, I knocked the piece off. I did my best. RIP to this little piece, but yo, that's dope. RIP. We still gonna take care of you. Oh, word. So I'm assuming that you can like hang this. Yeah. That makes sense. Word. Yeah, you feel me? Yeah, we're gonna find a spot for that. So you hang it, keep the plant in there. My cactus got a little beat up, but we gonna be all right. We gonna be all right. Dang. All right. So the piece is really snug in there, but we have a self-watering desert planter. Fire. This is going in my office for sure too. Modern sprout. This is lit, man, because I'm actually into this stuff, and I'll show you guys. All right, now for the moment of truth. Obviously, with all these goodies, we gotta have some sneakers and some clothing. Now, from previous N7 videos that I've done, a lot of you guys are always like, oh man, it comes with all that. This is actually an influencer box. So Nike, Hibbett, you know, they design these, they send them out to us so we can show you what the collection looks like and the breakdown of it. You're not gonna get a huge box like this with all the cool plants and stuff, I'm sorry. This is for your boy. I just wanted to make that disclaimer because I feel like a lot of you guys are like, dang, like I get that huge box too? Nah, bro. Sorry, man, but you get to watch me unbox it, which is pretty cool, right? So we got the KYRIEs in here. Oh, so I'm assuming this box comes in like segments. So you're supposed to just reach in here and pull everything out. It's layered real nice. Check that out. These are fire, bro. I can't wait for the gym to be open. Look at that. Like, this is presentation. This is what I'm talking about. I'm ready for this shirt. Ooh. Yo. Hey. Oh, you know we had to smell them. Oh yeah. These are tough. This is probably the best N7 to date. Don't you guys agree? I love how wild the colors are. Dang, these are tough. Yee. Thank you, God, bro. That's all I gotta say. And then, of course, you know, we can't go without the apparel. We got the black tee. Super, super tough. What? We got it in like the white color too. Okay, 2 t-shirts. I rock with it. Yeah. Finish the rest of the video with this, man. That's clean. Huge thank you to Hibbett and Nike for sending this out. Like, this is amazing. I'm still like always blown away getting stuff like this. Now I'm assuming I'll be able to have links down below if you guys want to pick anything up from the collection. But this is just fire, bro. Wow, what an unboxing. Like, dude got some shoes, I got some soap, I got some tea, and I got a little cactus. This is so cool, bro. Wow. While we're at it, let me show you a few of my plants. So I haven't given you guys the tour of the crib. If you want to go check out the vlog channel, maybe I'll get around to it. I can't make any promises. But this is the plants, you know what I'm saying? We got a few. Boom. Boom. I don't know what's going on with you, brother, but boom. Oh, okay, he just fell off. We got a little plant here. Hopefully this comes back to life. We don't know. The snake plant is just thriving. It was honestly like this tall when we first got it, and now it's just beautiful. Then probably my most beautiful possession right now, besides her, I have an African mask plant. Just picked this up. This thing is beautiful. I know the sun is shining a little too much on it, but yeah, a lot of you guys were wondering off of Instagram, like, yo, Mike, what kind of plant is that? It's an African mask plant. And then let me take you out to my precious garden. So, right over here, ooh, how am I looking? Extra light. So right here we have some basil. You know, I'll be making bruschetta every once in a while. This is just thriving, looks beautiful. And then over here I got my little kale plants. I love dino kale. They're growing, coming in real nice. So I'm really excited for those. And then probably my favorite has gotta be my jalapeno plant. You can see they're coming in nice. Maybe you can see. I have some cilantro, some habanero peppers. This is growing real slow. We got some serrano peppers back here, some garden salsa peppers right here, and then these are my jalapenos, and they're just thriving. And also just got this new pickup. This is a painting by my great Uncle Terry, rest in peace, man. But man, I'm glad to be able to just, like, how dope is it to have some art from your family, your great uncle? I got a lot of art, honestly. I got some more coming. But yeah, that was a little mini tour. Again, huge shout out to Hibbett. You guys let me know down below. What'd you think of the unboxing, man? Would you like to get something like this? Man, these are tough. I'm gonna have to give y'all on foot before we get out of here. Sheesh, look at them things. Yeah, that's tough. That's tough. This is actually my second pair of KYRIEs, and I still have yet to hoop in a pair. But there you guys have it. That is today's video. Hope you enjoy, man. This is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.